I mean, this is so much better. All right, Q-tip. I'm using some Q-tips. All right. Excuse me. All right, hold on. All right, let's get in there. This is better than wipes. Q-tips versus wipes. I don't know. What y'all think? All right, get in here right here on the sides. Let me I just get in here. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but it's what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo. I see a little bit of dirt. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, make sure you clean your PS4 controller before putting it in your hands and play PS4 games on your PS4 console. Every once in a while, every couple of months, you know. If you see if it needs to be clean, like tonight or something, and then, okay, yeah, I'm gonna clean it, get it out the way. That's what I'm gonna end up doing. I'm bored. I ain't got nothing else to do. I feel like that's my 9 to 5 job. Cleaning people's PS4 controllers because they lazy. They don't want to clean it. I got you. You know what I'm saying? But like, yo. All right, I'm done. Clean the analog stick real quick. All right. When I was younger, if I had a PS4 controller, I would have messed it up. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't even know how to look it up on YouTube when YouTube first came out in 2005. I would have been screwed. Like in 2005, they didn't really have much in Google to look up. Like cleaning PS4 controller. You know what I'm saying? No pictures, no videos, no nothing. All right, my nose is running because I have an pneumonia. So, all right, I'm talking too much. I'm cleaning my PS4 controller too much, and I feel like I'm obsessed with it. And hold up, let me see something. No, hold on. Boom. All right. And there we go. All right, I'm out. Yeah.